In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and configure a browser profile in AdsPower with a proxy setup. Let's dive right in and get started on this easy-to-follow guide that will ensure you're set up to browse securely and effectively. First, to begin, you'll want to open the AdsPower application. Once you're in, navigate your way to the Profiles section. Here, you'll either see the option to create a new profile or directly see New Profile. These options will set the stage for your browser profile creation. This step is where you initiate the setup process, which is crucial for browsing through proxies. When you open up the profile setup screen, pay close attention to the proxy settings section. This is where you'll define your browsing connections. It's essential to get these settings right to ensure proper functionality and security. Now, under Proxy Settings, you'll encounter the proxy type. This is your first decision point. You may choose between options like HTTP, HTTPS, SOC S5, or SSH, depending on what best suits your needs or the requirements outlined by your proxy provider. Once you've nailed down your proxy type, the next step involves entering the proxy host. This could be an IP address or a domain name supplied by your proxy service. Accompanying the host will be the port number, a critical element that works closely with the host to establish a connection. Ensure that both are accurately input to avoid any connectivity issues later on. For those utilizing proxies that require user credentials, you'll need to enter a proxy username and proxy password. These are essential for authentication, allowing you access through the proxy server. Keep in mind, these details are vital for security, so ensure you're entering them correctly. Now, this bit is optional, but it's wise to be aware of it. If your proxy provider uses a change IP URL, which is particularly common with mobile or rotating proxies, there's typically a designated space to enter this URL. Doing so can enhance your browsing by periodically changing your IP address. After all your entries are in place, it's time to ensure everything is working smoothly. Click on the Check Proxy button or a similarly named option. This action tests the settings you've entered, and it's the moment of truth as the system verifies connectivity. You'll receive a prompt informing you of the success or failure of the connection. If everything checks out successfully, you're ready to move on. To round out your profile setup, complete any remaining details, such as selecting your browser version and configuring user agents if necessary. Once you're satisfied with everything, hit OK or Save. This action will preserve your setup, locking in all the details you've carefully input. Now, for the final step, launch your newly created profile by clicking the Open button in AdsPower. Congratulations! You should now be browsing via the proxy you configured. This setup ensures a seamless and secure browsing experience tailored to your specific needs. Enjoy your browsing, and feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher.